Oh, splitting. Oh,
Alright, let's go.
so I'm at the Home Depot, and I just picked up some stair skirts. You know, I keep saying I'm gonna finish these stairs. I gotta get the stairs done today, and I still haven't finished them. They take the least priority because projects around the house, they always get done last. Customer projects come first. You got to get them done first, and then other stuff comes up, so the projects around the house always get finished last, unfortunately. Just how it goes. I gotta get the stairs done today. So today I'm hoping we can get these stair treads on. The skirts, put these skirts on. I've been doing a little research, and I think I know how to make it happen. This is the first time I've ever done it, so I'm hoping it'll look alright. I'm hoping everything goes good, but we won't know for sure until we try. So let's head on home. I'm at the Home Depot right now. I just picked up the stuff. So I'm gonna head home and let's try and get it done. Like we got some more deliveries for Cheerfetti. That's my girlfriend's business she just started. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. She sells all kinds of gifts, well, items for gifts, I guess, that you can put together in a gift set. Well, I think that's how you do it. This is my first time doing it. Mental's gonna come out. All right. Well, that didn't really go as planned. Got some gaps here and big old gap here. That's got a big gap. I don't know. I should have used cardboard for a template, but I didn't, because I just, I don't know. Feeling kind of lazy. I just didn't want to do the extra work. I thought it was going to work okay. I watched a bunch of videos and it all worked for them. I don't know. They also, the videos I were watching didn't have the lip here. Anyways, I'm not really motivated to do this project, but it's got to be done. So I guess I'm gonna have to try again, except this time maybe I'll use cardboard. Use a cardboard template. Oh man, I hope this does it. Or I'm not doing it. If this doesn't work, it doesn't fit right, it's not getting done. I'm throwing in the towel, calling it quits. Man. All right, let's give it a go. Splitting. Oh, well, I think I'm giving up for today because the freaking thing ended up breaking on me and I was cutting it. And there's also something I noticed is, I don't know, I got these little, I'm not sure what happened there when I was tracing the paper out. Why I'm getting those, to be honest with you. This thing's brutal. Brutal. I know we can do it, but it's very frustrating. So I'm just gonna hold off for now. Attempt it another day.